Gonna go Incheon. So I finally made it to Incheon after 1.5 hours ride. I think the longest train ride I've ever taken in my entire life. Ugh. Seafood jambon. So long. So I queued for the Mr. Bean pancakes because Amanda said it would be good. Please see. It's alright. I'm not very impressed. My favorite lamb skewers. So this is the fairy tale land. Snow White. My beautiful Belle. Holy fuck, she looks so ugly here. There's like a Spider-Man on top. They even have like the creatures in the sky. That is so cool. Ah, it's so bright. But this place is like for kids. There are kids everywhere. Look. I guess this is the Wolmido theme park. Currently at Wolmido Island. It's so peaceful. Okay, but my hands are freezing and my nose is licking. This place is like so happening. It's so freaking cold. I think cause I'm at the beach. I really love sunsets. Oh my goodness.
아빠, 애 집 돌아간 것 같아, 아버지. 야, 둘째 아들 괜찮냐?